It's been a very difficult 24 hours for Hervey Bay. We, as yet, don't know the scale of the damage, but we do have intel on the ground to suggest it is significant. In the last 24 hours, there's been 3,676 calls to help for the SES. That is the largest 24-hour period in the history of Queensland State Emergency Service. Queensland Marine Rescue has been involved in transporting emergency services patients and indeed Energex crews to some of the islands, and they've been involved in medical transports, which have been vital for people.
The weather pattern is still somewhat unpredictable. We're expecting some increased rainfalls over the next 24 hours. There is anticipated to be some more rainfall in the day ahead. Now, we don't want to alarm people, but that's something certainly that everybody is watching very closely over the next day. The only evacuation notice that's still in place is for Lismore North, and I know that as soon as it's safe, SES will lift that evacuation order, get people into their houses as soon as possible.